Friends, I am Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President Foxy. As we all know that blood transfusion is a routine part of our practice. In one of the study conducted by WHO, it was found that blood was maximally used for obstetric purpose. One third of the blood was used by us for obstetric patients. In the same study, WHO found that its practice was improper in 45% of the places. Because of improper practice of blood transfusion, patient may develop many complications. Our aim is no patient should die because of the scarcity of blood. At the same time, no patient should die because of complications of blood transfusion because of improper transfusion practice. Let us discuss on 18th February, Tuesday between 3 to 4 p.m. about the rational use of blood transfusion. Please join with me. I would like to thank Zydus Gynex Division for supporting this educational initiative.